don't usually do this, but all the noise and all the news and all the mumbo jumbo going on. So I'm gonna try this fucking Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich and see what it's all about. Don't worry, I'm not gonna talk while I chew like most of you motherfuckers do. I'm just gonna bite on it and hopefully you guys will get my reaction. It's a big fucking sandwich. To me, I think this is a piece of thigh with some potato bread, some spicy tuna, and some pickles. So let's see how it is. Wow. This is a good fucking sandwich. Holy fucking shit. Wow. I'm sorry, Chick-fil-A, but shit, this shit is good. This shit is even better than Kennedy's spicy chicken sandwich. Holy fuck, this shit is good. Oh, shit. Holy shit. This sandwich is gonna not make me wanna get on a fucking diet. La creta, coño, qué maldito sándwich, el diablo ese. Ay, 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 diablo.